What do I do all day as a superintendent working on a multi-million dollar hotel renovation? I'm glad you asked. So my days are typically from like 7 to 3:30. So I would typically get here at 7 in the morning. This is my office. First thing I do is check my emails because there's always a bajillion emails flowing. So I check those and I always take notes. I have my handy dandy notebook here, and each day I have a different page for notes of what's going on. So many things always change. There's always something going on. So checking my emails, taking notes on that. Then what I check is we have a project management platform, basically a site where we manage all of the administrative side of the job, RFIs, submittals, pay apps, all of that kind of stuff. I check that and make sure I haven't received anything back or there's not any updates for anything. So that sort of starts me out like with a clear understanding of what I got going on for that day. Sometimes I'll have like to do things that I didn't finish from the day before. So I'll check out my notes, any reminders that I had to myself. And then after that, I head upstairs with my handy dandy, oops, making a mess, with my plans. So I carry this clipboard and it has all of my plans on it so that I can go up to the floors and check the work. Not only am I checking for the quality, I'm checking for the accuracy to make sure things are installed in the correct places. That's a big part of my day-to-day operation. And being that there are 141 rooms, that takes up a pretty nice chunk of my day. So it takes about 90 minutes. What I typically do is start on 15. I'll ride the elevator up to 15, and then I'll just walk down floor to floor, notating progress. Because the one thing to keep in mind is that at this point in the job, we have a lot of different tradespeople here. So we have plumbers on the floors, roughing in. We have electricians on the floors, roughing in. We have contractors who are doing flooring repairs, blocking. We have HVAC contractors, demoing, pulling units and stuff like that. So everybody's everywhere. And so in order to keep track of where everybody is, you literally have to walk the floors and take notes. Electricians in progress on floor 6, plumbers in progress or complete through floor 10, whatever the case may be. And again, that takes me typically about an hour to 90 minutes because I'll see the different tradespeople and we'll stop and talk and, ask questions, converse, whatever the case may be. So after I get done with that is typically around lunchtime. So I'll come back down, check my emails again, may have to do some paperwork on something. And then it's lunchtime and I'm downtown. And so we're right next to Shake Shack. So a lot of times I'll just get me some French fries from Shake Shack. Sometimes I'll go to Heinen's and get a sandwich or some sushi. Sometimes my partner and I, we go out to lunch. We may go have Mexican or whatever the case may be. Sometimes I just don't really take a lunch. I have my coffee, and so I just stay here and sort of decompress. One thing I forgot to mention is that I always start off my day in the dark. When I get in, I literally do not turn the light on until 8 o'clock. My first 45 minutes are like in the dark. I need that time to just woosah. It gets loud. It gets crazy. Somebody's always coming in this door asking me a question. So I need that time at the beginning just to sort of ease in to my day. As you can see over here, well, I don't know if you can see. Let me turn it around. These are my set of drawings. So anytime I have a question or need to answer a question for a sub or figure something out, I can easily access my drawings right here. And then I have my computer. I got a pile. These are additional drawings and cut sheets and all that type of stuff. There's a method to the madness. And then over there, this is my coffee nook. Except I haven't brought in the coffee machine just yet. This is my copy and print station. And then every day I literally spray this on the surfaces because it's so gross around here. On my handles, I spray it everywhere because the tradespeople, unfortunately, my office is right here by the bathroom, and I hear a lot of people going in, but I don't always hear the sink turning in after they go in. So I'm gonna just say that and be done with it. So, and then every Wednesday we have an OAC meeting, which I'll create another video about to talk about. So Tuesdays I spend a lot of time getting the meeting agenda ready and preparing for that meeting to give my progress report. And so that's pretty much so how I spend my days.